Oh, welcome to Christ-Centered Gamers' latest unboxing of something I'm very excited about. This is PDP's Victrix Pro FS PlayStation/PC arcade fight joystick. I'm really excited to review this. Now, this is a very expensive product. I thought it was on sale recently for $2.99. I think it might even be $3.99 normally. It's a very expensive fight stick, very premium, considered by many in the fight stick community to be one of the best fight sticks out there. Um, as most tournaments use PlayStation or PC, so probably PlayStation. So that's why they don't even offer a Xbox version of this. This is the one that they offer, and I am really excited to check this out. So just to give you a good shot of the front of the box. Hopefully you can see that. And then we've got the side here. Okay. Uh, as you can see, it says PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and PC as supported platforms. We've got, that's hard. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up or not. Looks like the text is kind of washing out, but hopefully it's all there. And here's the back. All right. Hopefully you get a good view of that. Okay. So a few things to note about this. It has a pretty standard fight stick. It uses I think a Sanwa one, but I'm not sure. It definitely has 30 millimeter Sanwa Denshi buttons. So those guys right there. Um, it's got a control pad with touch bar, so you can, for PlayStation games that need that. Mm. It's got a detachable USB-C cable, which is great. I really like that it's detachable and that it's USB-C. PS4, PS5, and PC mode switch, which is very useful. Clean, easy to mod layout, which is great. Got a 3.5 millimeter audio jack as well if you need to use headphones with it. And it's got a nice 6.28 degree wrist slope for easy ergonomics and use. And it's a single piece aircraft grade aluminum shell. Very, very cool. I am so excited about this. So let's see what the inside looks like. Well, these are available in white and purple. I'm not a huge purple guy, so I picked white. Okay, this is just the box. It's got the Victrix logo here, professional gaming gear on the side. So this is for their premium stuff here. And of course the Pro FS logo there, or whatever you call it. It's a logo, I guess. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what is on the inside. Oh, looks like I need my knife. Good thing I brought it. Got some tape to cut. All right, so we got some right here, right there. Okay, and let us unbox this guy. Okay, down flat, and here we go. Okay, so we got the purple USB cable, which is pretty similar to the other Victrix stuff I've seen with their purple cables. And look at, we got here a bag. This is cool. Okay, I'm liking this. I am liking this. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay. Oh, the lever is separate. They want you to screw it in. That's funny. I didn't expect that. Yeah, look at that. Separate lever. Okay, we'll put that together in just a moment. We've got a manual of sorts right here. Getting started guide. And then we have the meat and potatoes itself. All right, so I'm gonna go put this box out of frame because it's a big old guy. And take off these here. And as you can see, we've got this big old guy in a beautiful bag. And I love that it includes a carrying bag like that. So that's all there is there. Go ahead and loosen these bag straps. Oh boy, look at this. Okay, so we got some, I'm guessing a cable wrap right here. Oh, I love that. Very cool. And then we've got the USB-C port right at the top. Okay. And then we've got some sticky tape to remove right here, which we will in a moment. Some beautiful buttons. And on the back and the bottom, we've got, well, this is an interesting design. So we have an open side right there with some air gaps, it looks like. And then or maybe a handle, I don't know. So here's the bottom. We've got, it looks like a big door. This looks like it opens. What is it? Oh, wow. Okay, that is awesome. All right, check it out. So you've got a spare stick. There's two different kinds. Here's a stick here, and then there's a stick right here. I wonder what that's all about. We've got a tool right here for adjusting it. I'm guessing this is the gate, so you can maybe adjust that too. Um, for this, if you like an 8 style gate, I wonder how easy it is to replace. And you've got all the buttons easily accessible for rewiring right here. If you want to customize this, I don't know how it gets any easier. It's got a portal. This is awesome. Okay, and this is a very interesting short stick. Oh, this is the coolest thing. Oh, and there's the PS4, PS5, and PC Switch. It's currently on PS5 right now. Okay. All right, and here's the top. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. Okay. We've got a bunch of buttons. I wonder if you have to plug it in to see what they do. It could have LEDs or something to that effect. And then you've got this little guy right here that comes right off, a rubber gasket. Okay. And then we've got our stick. And this comes out. Okay, here's the stick itself with the little black sleeve right there. So you got the stick. The sleeve does come off, but I'll leave it on. And then I'm guessing this, how does this connect? Huh, I may actually have to use the quick start guide after all. How does this work? I don't know. So let's take a look. Very interesting. Okay. Let's see what the quick start guide says. How do I put this together? Um, oh, I have to scan the QR code for quick start. Huh. Okay. All right. Well, I haven't figured out how this works yet. It has a little screw. It looks like a flathead screwdriver on the bottom. This guy here, and then these buttons feel pretty great. And then this touchpad feels pretty great. Um, and there's the headphone jack on the bottom. I don't know if I showed you that before or not. Here's the headphone jack. This is so interesting. I'm going to go ahead and see if there's any difference between this one and the other one that's inside. So okay, so this one has a different style. So here's the other stick that's in the bottom. This one looks like it probably just plugs right in, where this one looks like it's the full pole, one piece. Oh, maybe that's the difference. This is a single piece pole, where this one is a two piece, and some people may prefer the single piece because it could be more sturdy. That's oh, this comes unscrewed. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's unscrewing from the top. I see. So you can take the ball off the top. Oh, interesting. So you can swap sticks based on what your preference is. If you want it to be a super strong, sturdy one, or if two pieces is okay. Oh, how interesting. Okay. So I'm going to put the two piece on for now. So I don't want to take this apart. I'll probably mod it by swapping sticks later. See if I can tell the difference. So this one then must go down on. Maybe I have to push really hard. Huh. It sure looks like it should. Do I have to loosen this? Oh yeah, okay. Let me see. How does this work? This is really fascinating. Oh, you pull it. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so you pull this up. So let me try that. And now it's on. There it is. Oh, how interesting. Okay. Yeah, this doesn't get much more accurate. It's got very nice responsive clicks when you use it. It feels so good. It looks so good as well. Wow. And it's designed for lap use as well. And I can certainly say it fits the bill there. Very awesome. Very, very nice. So just a couple things I want to let you know. I'm going to test this with primarily with PC. I'll probably test it with PlayStation and as well. I'm also intending to test this on Xbox using the brick adapter that I reviewed a couple years ago. So this thing is really good. It's designed for PS4 and PS5 controllers to work on Xbox. So I'll try this on Xbox Series. I have a Samurai Showdown, so I should be able to test it with that. And I also plan on testing it with this Mayflash. This is something I bought myself. Gosh, this is an older one, probably 5+ years ago. But it allows a bunch of controllers to work on Nintendo Switch. And so I intend to compare it or try it on Nintendo Switch. So look forward to that as well. I'll let you know if this Mayflash works with this and how well. And I also intend to compare it against these less expensive controllers. So this is an expensive one. This is a premium top of the line. You have no excuses if you're using this. If you can't get your dragon punches off, it's your fault, not this, right? However, I have a couple of older fight sticks. I'll probably retire this one after reviewing this guy because I have a feeling this will be my preferred one after this. This is an old Hori Real Arcade Pro 4, probably 10 years ago. PS4 support and PC. It's pretty good. It feels a lot looser, like just compared to this guy. This feels so premium, and this one feels a lot looser. The buttons are also a lot more responsive and bouncy than on this guy. But the problem with this one is nothing of its functionality. It worked okay. This options button, which is the equivalent to start, is such a terrible location. I would be playing fighting games and whoops, whoops, whoops. I did it all the time. So I loved this controller for the time I had it. My wife bought it for me for my birthday one year or whatever. So in that respect, I really appreciate it, but I can't wait to retire it because this is so terrible. So there you go. And I will also be, whoop, I'll knock myself over with all these heavy controllers. I'll also be testing it against this guy. This is a relatively budget model. This is the Mayflash F500 fight stick. Um, It definitely doesn't feel as premium again. It's much looser and not nearly as tight. Um, but the nice thing about it is it has native Nintendo Switch support, which is great. And it works with Xbox, PC. So that's nice. And so yeah, it's a pretty good little for the price. It's great. But and I like how the cable, while it is not removable, um, it's integrated in the door, which is good. And then the door position is better. That one broke off after several years. Well, this one didn't. But regardless, now that I've actually touched this one, yeah, there's no going back. Yeah, it's expensive, but if you need the best, this feels so good. All right, well, please look forward to the full written review where I test it, of course, on its intended platform, PC and PlayStation, but also on Xbox through this adapter and Switch through this one. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.